Hello, everybody. My name is Ilan Uchitel. I'm the CEO and co-founder of CAPS Medical. We're developing a technology which will allow us to selectively target cancerous cells without damaging the healthy tissue surrounding them through minimal invasive procedures. And we believe this will change the way the solid tumors are treated in the future. Cancer claims over 9.5 million lives annually, making it the leading cause of death. Conventional cancer therapies usually damage the healthy cells which surround the tumor, leading to life-altering side effects and increased mortality. We believe that without technology, we will be able to target cancerous cells through minimal invasive procedures and to address this problem by leaving the healthy tissue surrounding the tumor completely undamaged. Our proprietary NTAP technology uses non-thermal plasma, which is a stream of an ionized gas delivered to the tumor at near room temperature to selectively kill cancer cells. NTAP causes stress selectively to cancer cells without causing thermal or other damage to the surrounding healthy tissue. By generating reactive oxygen and nitrogen species, we generate an apoptotic response in cancer cells, leading to the pre-programmed cell death, which in lines recruits the innate system that specifically targets similar cancer cells in the surrounding area. Over 15 years of clinical research has demonstrated the efficacy of non-thermal plasmas to selectively destroy various types of cancer. The problem is that the existing devices on the market today are just too large and too energetic to be used inside the body, where they're needed the most. Which brings us to CAPS Medical Innovation. Our system is the first one that has a device small enough to be used inside the body. We have a small diameter flexible probe that can be applied through a working channel of existing minimally invasive tools. It's a keyhole procedure which is completely safe. It doesn't cause cutting, charring, ablation, or any damage to the healthy tissue on the axis and around the tumor. It allows us a real-time, precise monitoring of the energy delivered to the tumor, and it's a very safe distraction. The system consists of a console and a disposable procedure kit, which will be our main revenue driver. Having a small diameter flexible probe makes us a natural fit to the minimally invasive ecosystem, which puts us in the focus of interest of all the large players in the market. We already have one strategic invested in the company and the other one committed to invest. In our vision, we see us treating a variety of tumors all over the body, endoscopically, bronchoscopically, through to cars and needles. We can assemble the technology on robotic platforms, and we can always apply it superficially. Our initial treatment indication is non-muscle invasive bladder cancer, NMIBC. Bladder cancer is the 6th most common cancer worldwide, with over 1.6 million people living with the disease. Usually, bladder cancer isn't cured. The high recurrence rate makes bladder cancer the most expensive cancer to treat across patient lifetime, resulting in over $7.5 billion across US and Europe alone. The standard of care for treating NMIBC hasn't principally changed over the past several decades. The tumors are being treated and retreated using a very traumatic resection called TURBT, which has high percentage of associated side effects. Then the resection is supplemented by a series of intravesical chemotherapy and immunotherapy installations. We have recently completed a first-of-its-kind endoscopic clinical study in which we have treated 60 tumors across 28 patients instead of resection. 85% of the treated tumors have disappeared following a single treatment. Over a follow-up period of 1 year, we have seen no local recurrence of the treated tumors. We had no device-related adverse events, no cutting, no bleeding, no charring. The patients went home a couple hours after the procedure on the same day. This demonstrates the ability of our technology to preserve the healthy vital tissue as compared to the resection, which leaves the damaging scar and damages this vital organ. For NMIBC, the treatment is delivered through a working channel of a standard cystoscope by utilizing existing CPT codes. we are working to deliver the technology as in-office procedure and avoid surgery, hospitalization, or anesthesia completely. Then, when the device is cleared to market, we will proceed to additional indications such as reducing installations, addressing high grades of tumors, and also expanding to additional treatment indications. Following a series of discussions with the FDA, they have been very supportive of the technology and granted us a very straightforward pathway to clearing the device. The pathway will include a pivotal study for NMIBC, which will begin during this year. We have CE clearance slated for 2025 and FDA clearance for 2026. We're also working to expand the indication to additional types of cancer, such as lung cancer, esophageal, GI, and additional cancers. In a series of preclinical studies, we haven't encountered any resistance to NTAP by any tested cell lines. In addition to that, we have also already demonstrated our ability to deliver the plasma to the desired location across various indications, from lungs to stomach and many, many others. The company has 3 granted patents in addition to 30 patent applications in the various stages worldwide. We also have a licensed exclusive agreement for additional family of patents from the Technion. Our team has an extensive leadership experience in the healthcare industry and a proven track record. And our team is supported by world-renowned experts with great cancer care experience who also allow us access to world-leading institutions and clinical sites. To date, the company has raised $11 million from a strategic investor, private investors, and non-dilutive grant. We're now in the process of raising an $80 million funding round, which will allow us to conduct the pivotal study, to obtain CE and FDA clearance, and to address additional indications. We, as I mentioned before, have additional strategic investor who is committed to invest as part of this funding round. So our proprietary NTAP treatment is a minimally invasive, selective oncology therapy which is proven to be applicable to a wide range of tumors. We have promising clinical data, a clear go-to-market strategy with a huge addressable market. We have an experienced team, and we are supported by world-renowned experts in leading academic institutions. And together, we can make a difference in how cancer is treated in the future. Thank you so much.